Hi, I'm Lauren Simon, co-founder of MrPrime.com, a full-service Amazon marketing agency. Today I'm going to guide you on how to fulfill orders when selling on Amazon. Firstly, when you choose to sell on Amazon, you have three primary options for order fulfillment. You have Amazon Fulfilled, or FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. This is the most hands-off approach for sellers. You simply send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon will handle the storage, packing and shipping, and even customer service and returns. This gives your products the coveted Prime badge when making it attractive to Amazon Prime members. So for the cost, you'll pay for the storage space and the orders that Amazon fulfills, and the cost varies based on the size and weight of your items and the time of year as well. Now, while it can seem higher compared to other methods, remember that this includes customer service and returns, which frees up a lot of your time. The other option is Merchant Fulfilled, or MFN, Merchant Fulfilled Network. Here you store, pack and ship your products directly to the customers from your own warehouse. This gives you more control over inventory and shipping. And for the costs, while you save on Amazon's fulfillment fees, you'll need to consider the costs of packing supplies, shipping, storage, and potentially hiring staff. The other option is SFP, Seller Fulfilled Prime. This is a hybrid method where you fulfill orders from your own warehouse, but still can offer the Prime badge. This requires you to maintain high delivery standards. And for the costs, though you're avoiding FBA fees, you're committed to 2-day shipping. This means you might end up paying more for expedited shipping, especially for orders far from your location. So how do you choose? Well, if you want to minimize hands-on work and tap into the vast Prime audience, FBA might be for you. Or if you want complete control over your inventory and fulfillment process, Merchant Fulfilled is potentially the way to go. So if you believe you can manage quick shipments and want to attract Prime members without using FBA, then SFP is perhaps your best bet. Regardless of which method you choose, our team at MrPrime.com is here to support you, ensuring your products shine on Amazon and reach your customers. So if you are ready to take the plunge into the Amazon marketplace, come to MrPrime.com and book a call and find out if we can help you. Thank you.